Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. It is entertaining season for the holidays, and no one better to invite than my friend Eileen Buckley to help us make what, Eileen?
The Italian Cassata Cake.
Eileen, tell everybody how you put this together.
Well, it's so simple. That's why I brought it, because it's a no-bake item.
Yeah.
Very easy, nice and simple. First, you have a store-bought angel food cake. You can certainly make it, but this is so much faster.
Yeah.
But the filling is the cannoli filling.
Yeah.
So you take the ricotta cheese and you mix it with chopped maraschino cherries.
Yep.
I usually use about a jar or a half a jar, depending on how much you like in consistency. And I shave some chocolate, your favorite chocolate bar. I used Hershey's for these.
Yeah.
Very simple, and I just even used my vegetable peeler to shave it, so it's nice and simple. Now, one of the things that a lot of people like to put in it is a little rum.
Yeah.
But when you're putting in a consistency of something liquid, you have to be careful because you don't want that ricotta filling to be too soupy.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's important. So then you mix it all together, and then you take your angel food cake out of here and you slice it with a serrated knife in 3 layers, and then you just take the ricotta filling and you put it on the first ring and then layer it, and I even put it on the very top. And then for the icing, I do whipped cream, heavy whipped cream. So I use the that homemade instead of Cool Whip.
You can also do Cool Whip, but you do homemade.
Cool Whip's a little sweeter, so it just depends, and it depends on preferences. Some people don't even like whipped cream, so I'm not sure what other option it would be for frosting. But
Eileen, this is fabulous. This is fabulous. Anyone that is looking to entertain, you need to look this recipe up. Head over to wkbw.com/7life and get this. This slice is mine. You make your own.
But we've got lots of extra.
Recipes for 7 Life would like to thank Close Mentor.